100% record so far in the Betway Premiership for the defending champions as they look to make it 5 out of 5 and go back top of the table. A very good afternoon to you from the Peter Mokaba Stadium, where the clouds have just come over after it's been a very hot afternoon, and with a wind that's been a gusty wind that has been blowing through the stadium here that has more irritation factor than cooling factor. It's just whipping up the dust.
Park for me. I'm talking Kambala, Mapangule and Cole. They're not going to be too adventurous going forward, but they need to try and hold as much as they can so that Sundowns don't break them across. But they've got those transition moves that every now and then they come up with to go forward. Chauke is the man to watch.
To the starting lineup, let's pick out the most significant as a first start of the season for Rushin Riek, and Siabonga Mapena rewarded for his great performance off the bench in midweek. He gets a first start of the season. On the bench, the Brazilian Arthur Salles comes on to make sure there is Brazilian representation in the absence of Lucas Costa Ribeiro. Rayad Peterson is included in the matchday squad for the first time since September.
Four games, 100% record, but 11 changes, but you can expect more of the same.
Betway Premiership, you see now how that ball flew away. It's going to have to be measured with those goal kicks because of this wind in his back. Look at this, Chauke. What a handful he is, yeah. In fact, it was Cole Alexander that fired the shot in there.
And look at how easy.
Shoot on sight.
Yeah. And it looked like it was perfectly and beautifully rolling back to him. And not, I mean, honestly, I'm not sure exactly how does he fumbles that shot. And he was obviously going for the laces, which was not a bad idea.
And he ended up actually not just standing by. Or could be a chance here. Kept in play. Oh, what is that? What kind of a ball was that? You see, I think he's even complaining about that.
Yeah, it came too hard.
I mean, he smacked the ball against it. Look at this again here. What on earth was Damini doing here? He does well to keep this alive. It's not a pass. I mean, what kind of a pass is that? That's a poor pass. Chauke saying playing it on the, play to feet. Took it, managed to put it up behind for a corner. How close was that? Fantastic counter-attack from Polokwane City. That's where they are at their most dangerous.
Indeed. That is exactly what happened. It was a Sundowns set piece in their favor, but they stationed Chauke and Apollos in perfect position to be able to link up in moments like this. Onside.
In fact, I thought Rushin Riek got there, but Chauke's header.
Yeah.
My goodness, Chauke. I mentioned that he has yet to score in the Betway Premiership. Now that kind of finishing tells you why. How does he not score there? And as I keep saying in these situations when the game involving Mamelodi Sundowns, I fear for Polokwane City now. Threads it through Chauke. It's a bit heavy was that touch, so it's taken him away from goal. Matuludi, wow, what a spell here for... Tabang Matuludi looking for something a little bit special. What a spell this is for Polokwane City. 20 minutes to go, they're going to make another change. And it's another attacking change.
And with the left foot, look how it takes a left foot shot.
Matuludi goes again. Tabang Matuludi. Tolo. Wow.
He's unbelievable. He's a rare kind of a fullback. I mean,
cheapers. What a shot that was.
With the laces.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
He's had 2 strikes now, left, right, left and right. What a baller. Nyango was there, to be fair, but that's power there meant he had to parry it.
Yeah.
Pumping now. Now, Cole Alexander puts it into the mixer. Away, sorted it away, back only as far as Alexander again. He gets it in again. They're attacking it. Chance here to fire one in. Throwing his body on the line there was that Rushin Riek. Wonderful defending. backs to the wall stuff here from Mamelodi Sundowns. What is going on here? We already had a, and I won't say it was an upset what we saw last night. Heavy strapping there on both knees for Cole Alexander. Let's see now. He needs to play. Oh, it's a perfectly on the Polokwane City. Get the breakthrough that they so richly deserve. It's Nikane, the skipper, who applied the touch. And Polokwane City have thrown the cat amongst the pigeons here.
With about, 8 minutes or so remaining.
Bonamolakaletsi. You saw the Chiefs run in there, and now what?
Exactly.
And now what? We spoke about it. Mangoba Mnoti spoke about it. Polokwane City are a problem side for Mamelodi Sundowns. Now Bulelani Nikani has given them possibilities here.
As you would know, and I'm sure in many different occasions, if it ends open in open, if you don't score in open time or open play, set pieces are one area, and Sundowns there was not able to defend a ball that shouldn't have been too difficult to defend. And the cover from the first line of defense was poor, and Nikani sneaks in the slightest of touches, gets Dennis Onyango beaten.
Look at that. Bulelani Nikani doesn't get many. You scored one last season. This could be in here. This is a foot race between two very quick players. Excellent, Tapelo Morena.
Apollos is quick,
yeah, and
but Morena is quicker.
Just as quick, if not quicker. Tapelo Morena. Here it comes now into the danger area. Whoa, Reynas, and a chance, oh, wide. What a chance! What a chance! As Kulisa look to make it 2 goals in 2 matches, profiting from the second ball here.
Unfortunately, the traffic in front of him just made it so hard for him to find the target.
You